humans, animals, birds, plants, and many of others. Earth gives us food and shelter to survive. It is our duty to protect our earth and should aware others to save the earth. We should plant more trees to make the earth green. We should not waste water. We should not cut trees. We should not pollute earth. We should not use plastic. Follow the 3D principle of reduce, reuse, and recycle. If there is no earth, there is no bird. I am going to present a poem on Save Earth. Lights are crying because it's not clean. Earth is dying because it's not green. Earth is our dear mother, don't pollute it. She gives us food and shelter. They salute it. With global warming, it's in danger. Let's save it by Congress from ranger. With melting snow, one day it will sink. How can we save it? Just a thing. Trees are precious, preserve them.